How to download Uber app and log into your account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pimo from The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll show you how to download the Uber app as well and log into your account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download the Uber app and log into your account, whether you're on iOS or Android, just open up your respective app store, and in the search box you just want to search for Uber. Now depending upon which Uber app you want, whether you want the Uber Ride app or whether you want the Uber Eats app, which is a food delivery service, or if you simply want an Uber driver or delivery rider app, or you can just select whichever app you want to download and just tap on the install button. Once you tap on the install button, it may take some time to process your request and then download and install the application to your device. If you're on iOS, you have to tap on the get button, and if you were on Android like me, you would need to tap on the green install button to download the application. Now after the downloading and installing process has been complete, let us move on to the login process. Now after, as you can see, our installation process has been complete. To log in, just tap on the open button to open and launch the Uber app. Allow it to send you notifications and whatever it requires. Tap on the get started button at the bottom. It will ask you to log in with your phone number, so you can go ahead and do that respectively. Now if you have a mobile number, you can just go ahead and do that. If you had a Google account connected, you can go ahead and do that as well, or you could continue with Apple and your Facebook account. And that's all it takes to download and log into the Uber app. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.